The digital universe in India has expanded dramatically over the last year or so. 10 billion transactions a month on UPI, and the charts are firing on Paytm, PB Fintech, you name it. Those stocks are back on your charts, and probably some
Right.
of them are in your trend following portfolio. When you look at the longer term here, and the longer term I mean 3 years, especially on the digital play that is unfolding in India, do you see some winners?
So when when I kind of missed the rally that was there earlier, because one of my first filters, or as I said, my background as a fundamental analyst, is that I would never compromise on stocks which don't have
Yes.
earnings. I mean, ultimately, earnings drive. And if you go back and look at even the biggest tech names globally, whether it's Apple, Amazon, or Tesla, all of these stocks have been dud stocks at some stage. They have been actually losers at some stage for investors. It's only that when these companies started posting consistent profits that you were able to really make money as an investor. I mean, even the great Warren Buffett invested in a sector he claimed he knew nothing about, technology, his biggest investment, biggest
Yes.
success in his life. And that was well past the IPO, or away from the bottom. So I am a strong believer that ultimately it is earnings that drive prices. And I'm very happy or patient to actually maybe miss out some of the bits when there is no profitability earnings to back the kind of prices that there are. But what we are seeing in a lot of these digital plays is that at last some green shoots are sort of visible, some green shoots on profitability. The key thing is going to be that, hey, what, are they able to sustain it? If they are able to sustain it and kind of expand on it, I think that these can be very blue sky territories. So I'm really happier to participate in the second coming, because today when I run my filters through, I do see earnings, so they qualify on my fundamental parameters, and then the price trends that there are. So I feel that the money to be made is right now. And even when you consume these services on a very practical basis, like let's say Zomato or a Swiggy, we are all used to it. We like almost use it every day. You'll suddenly realize that there's this 2 rupee user fee and some convenience charge and platform fee coming in. It had to come in, right? They couldn't just serve you and make losses. So you can see that kind of change where all opposition or competition is actually wiped out. These are your only options. And now that 2 rupee, 3 rupee is actually not an option for you. You just are going to order it.
Yes.
You are just going to order it. And that mindset shift towards profitability from just volume is, I think, going to be the trigger. That is why I look at them with more interest today than I looked at them maybe 2 years or 1 year ago. Because at that stage, it was just the story. Profitability was missing. And as profitability comes, these can be absolute rockets here.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.